Hello everybody, it's Ronnie with Whip and Chain. I work with Maggie and Lauren to bring you crochet tutorials, and today we got a beautiful one. This is this braided hairband. It's absolutely gorgeous and it works up actually pretty fast. I mean, I'm a slow crocheter, but this does work up pretty fast, so let's dive right into it. Okay, to make this beautiful headband, we need to make 2 of these panels. Obviously, I got 1 done. I'm going to show you how to make 1, so then I'll have 2. So when you do this, you need 2 of these panels. Okay. All right. So the yarn that I've chosen to use, I would recommend a more stiffer yarn, not a real soft and like. What I usually like using is this soft and bendable and very easy to work with yarn. For this, you definitely need something that is just a little more coarse, I think is the word. So I went with this Yarn Bee Hobby Lobby yarn. It is not one of the cheaper yarns, but Hobby Lobby goes on sale every other week, so that's something to remember. And there's no rule saying you have to use this yarn, okay? You don't have to. There's no rule saying you have to. Anyway, it is called Fundamental Cotton. This color's aqua. And if you can see it, it's 100% cotton, okay? Now they recommend a 4mm hook. With this, I am not using a 4mm hook because we need our stitches to be, I'm trying to find the center while I'm talking to you. We need our stitches to be very, very tight and very condensed for this project. You guys see me having struggles getting a center pull. Hang on a minute. Okay. Finding the center pull is not always easy, but anyway, so I got my center pull, got my yarn. Now the hook that we're using is a 2.5mm hook. Need a small one for this project. I would not recommend larger. This project needs to be more on the stiffer side to be able to shape right. So we're gonna chain 103. So I will see you back after you get your chain done. Okay, after you have your chain of 103, I'm losing my stuff. Okay, so after your chain of 103, you're gonna go in the 3rd stitch. You're gonna do half double crochet all the way down. Half double, half double, half double, 1 in each stitch all the way down. So then when you get down to the end, you're going to chain 2 and you're going to do half double again across. So you're going to need this row and 3 more rows. So you need a total of 4 rows of half double crochets just straight across. You get to the end, you chain 2 and you double cross again, and chain 2 and double cross. So you need 4 rows. I'm going to meet you back after that. Okay, this is what 4 rows look like. Nice and condensed because of the smaller hook. Looks pretty nice. Okay, so these are 4 rows of half double crochet. The 5th row, okay, so for the 5th row, we're going to chain 2. Put in a regular half double crochet in the full stitch. Excuse me, guys. So for the next 17 stitches, we're going to do the back loop only, half double crochet, so a total of 18 stitches. So that's 1 that we did, back loop only. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and 18. Now you chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Skip 5 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and half double, and the 6th stitch back loop only, remember. And then 17 more, total of 18 again, and then we'll do the chain 5. So it's 18 half double crochets, chain 5, skip 5, and in the 6th stitch, half double crochet, 18 more, and keep going and keep going. When you get down to this end, you should have 9 stitches left. So not 18, it'll be 9, and I'll meet you back. Okay, so you will end up with 4 of these gaps. Now remember, this end is 18, but at your other end, it's 9. Okay, so now all you're gonna do is the same thing you did for the first 4 rows. So chain 2, put a full half double in the first stitch, and then back loop only, half doubles, so you're just going to do the back part of the chain. Do not go around the chain, go in to the chain. Okay, just like that. I'm just going to keep going. So this is row 1. I'm going to do 3 more rows of these, normal, switch like we normally switch with the chain 2 and the ends. And then after you do this row and 3 more, then we'll meet back. Okay, after you get all that done, you are landed with these 2 pieces. They should approximately be the same size. If they're a tiny bit off, it's no big deal, okay? So let me show you how to do this. It's really kind of easy. Now, the bottom one is the one with the 18 stitches on your right, okay? The top one that we're going to place on top is the one with the 9 stitches on your right. So as you can see, the holes are crooked, okay? All right. So you put the shorter one on top, bring it back. All right. So now you take the bottom one, you fold it up to you, fold it up, okay? And you take it and you put it through the first opening on the top one. And then you just try to even it. It's going to take a little time, but it's fine. Now we take the top one, fold it towards you. Again, always folding up. You put it through the first hole in the bottom one. And push it through. Okay. Now again, you take the top one, do it on a rotate. You fold it up. You put it through the next hole. Notice I did not cut my tails off, guys. Push it through. We're gonna just keep doing that. Fold it up. Next through hole. Next one, fold it up. Fold it up. Fold it up. Fold it up. Oh, let's get that one. Fold it up and push it through. And then you open the bottom one so they line up. So look how pretty this is. And you straighten it out to your liking. This is why the smaller hook and the more coarse, stiffer yarn works for this. So then take a hairband and okay. Now we're going to take our hairband and pick one of our strings. The hairband goes in between. Go through both. Then we're going to weave. Right on the edge. Get to the edge. Go through the other side. And then reweave on the other side. And then again, go through. And we'll push it together. And tie your ends. And by not starting with a fresh one, this is very attached to the project and will not come loose. fold it. And we do the same thing. Put it between. Put it through and through. And then you weave. Go through. And you weave. And go through the other side. And you pull together. And there is your hairband. It's beautiful, isn't it? And I hope you enjoyed making this project as much as I did. This one, it is very unique. Nobody will know how you did this unless you tell them. Gorgeous. I can't wait to see yours and the color schemes that you choose. So please come join us on Facebook under Whip and Chain. And please subscribe to our channel. It keeps us making more videos. Until our next time, it's always a work in progress here. Happy crocheting, everybody.